Oh, hey guys. If you are between the ages of grade 6 to matric, that's between the ages of 12 and 18, and you are struggling with some questions in your life about Jesus, some questions about is there worth anything in your life? Is your life worth living? Or if you simply want to find new friends, then Collision Youth is the place for you. Join us every Friday from 5:30 to 7. That's 5:30 to 7. And if you're a little bit too old for youth and you're already a student or you're working, you are welcome to join us at Young Adults on a Wednesday night in the Youth Center. That's between the ages of 19 to 28. So everyone be blessed, stay safe, and remember, Jesus loves you. Let me go back to This Is Living.
There's a reason all my dreams come alive. Life is for living with you. I've made my decision.